plus tint, orange or plus tint. If you have plus tint color, you can use plus tint. See, both colors should become equally. Yes, apply plus tint first. Plus tint you can apply very lightly. See, just apply peach color for hand. Okay, apply peach color first for this hand. See children, now with orange color have to give outline. Now have to give outline with orange color. Okay, those who have doubt, please type your question in your chat box. Okay, then I will see and give answer. See children, now for nails you can apply sky blue very lightly. See, see children, for globe, first apply lemon yellow color children here. If you don't have lemon yellow, you can use medium yellow or deep yellow, medium yellow, any one yellow color you can use for this. This lemon yellow, medium yellow and deep, any one yellow color you can use for this. Next you can take light green, oh sorry, not light green, dark green. Dark green you can take it and give outline around here for globe. See children, take light green and mix light green and dark green, both mix together like this. Okay, you can rotate like this. Light green after dark green, we have to mix with light green here inside like this. Children, take sky blue and apply here very lightly. Lighter, you can apply very lighter for water place, and here also this also water place. Now see children, uh, with dark blue you have to give outline around this sky blue. See, like this. See children, now again with the same sky blue, you have to mix this dark blue and sky blue. See, both together you have to mix like this. Now you get it shade like this. See children, that globe part is completed. Now this yoga symbol you have to draw with black sketch children. Totally you have to. Yes, you can do it fully. For the round colors will become. Don't apply peaceful mind or peacefulness. That's why we are showing that flower. Poster, this one. Do with black sketch. And here inside we have to apply colors. See red, you can take red, orange and yellow. These three colors for this round. Any medium yellow also you can take it. So then first for this round you can apply red color around. Okay, red, orange, yellow, and after red you can take orange color and mix both together here like this. And in that white place you can mix yellow color children, like this yellow and orange both mixed together in this place. See, three colors have to show: light pink and dark pink children for lotus. Light pink and dark pink. Then you can give outline. See children, dark pink and yes, red and orange. If you mix, you will get shade like this. Then finally you can use yellow color inside. Here for these two children. Now we have to go for water. Now have to complete that water part. Let me do outline. See children, for water we have to take sky blue and deep blue and violet. These three colors we have to take for water. Yes, light violet, not deep one. First apply with sky blue very lightly for water in horizontal position, sleeping position. You can do it like this. Okay, after sky blue, now we have to take deep blue, children. With deep blue, have to give outline for water waves like this. And for these water waves also, have to give outline like this, children, with deep blue or Prussian blue, whatever you have. Hmm. Then again you can mix with the sky blue and dark blue both together like this for water. See, children, now have to mix this sky blue and dark blue both together for water like this in rotation mode, like this here and here also. Hmm. You can use medium blue also. Hmm. See, children, after dark blue and sky blue coloring, now finally we have to take violet color, children. Violet color shade we have to give here in this place. In this place we have to use this long water. For this long water have to show this violet. Yes, చేయి మరి ఈ సైడ్ కూడా. See, children, that long water only have to show with what? Lemon yellow, children. For sure, so first apply lemon yellow. Darkly can apply darker. Then along that you can use dark green. Okay, for all shrubs down you can show dark green like this. See, children, after dark green, now have to mix with lemon yellow. Here on top you can mix with lemon yellow once again. Okay, these two colors for shrubs. Have to take brown color for trees. Yes, brown color. Apply brown color for trees. And for branches you can apply dark green like this. See, children, for clouds they do outline first. Clouds, are you have birds? Clouds you can apply gray color, children. Are you have gray color? Hello? See, children, apply gray color. Ah, yes, you can use pencil also. See, children, now take white color, take white color and gray color, both mixed together like this. Then finally for sky, see children, for backdrop you can use orange color like this, slantily gives not sky blue, orange color. You can fill this backdrop with slanting lines. Yes, yes. Along that we have to give little bit this pink color, children. This is dark pink. Along that orange color you can show little bit pink shade from down. See, like this, pink, pink, dark pink. Along that orange shading you can use dark pink half. Okay, little bit pink color have to. Okay, this is the final, children. Show me your drawing. Can you show your drawing now?